Hello， 大家好。
Hola amigos, ¿cómo están?
Today we're going to make cappuccino.
Yeah, cappuccino is a drink named after the Cappuccino fairs in Italy. Became really popular in the early 1900s after the invention of the espresso machine.
Cappuccino 的名字是起源于修道士的衣服，他们穿的是那个棕色的袍子，然后白色的帽子，所以跟 cappuccino 看起来很像，意大利人发明的这种饮品。So, what do we need to make cappuccino?
Okay, so we're going to use Maya Vinic house blend for this cappuccino. We have a handheld espresso maker. You can find the link for it below the video. We have organic milk, and we also have a milk frother.
And cappuccino is just made of 1/3 of coffee espresso, hot milk, and milk foam.
Correct.
So, a fun fact, in China, a lot of coffee shops, they serve cappuccino in the mug, but they serve other coffee in whatever cup or paper cup. Do you know why?
No, why?
Because cappuccino is so light. It's made of a lot of milk foam. It's really light, and a lot of people ask the question when they get a paper cup, why is it so light? Are you missing something? Are you giving me less than what you're supposed to give me? So that's why they serve this in a mug, so you can't tell. It's really light.
Sneaky. All right.
So
So, well, we have to start by making the espresso. How is it?
it's good. I like the texture of the foam. And the espresso is pretty strong actually, even with the flavor.
Even with the... Okay, so one thing we could do to this coffee to make it like a lot better is always use good milk for your froth. Evaporated milk in this case. You can add a little bit of cinnamon or honey at the top of the milk of the foam, the top of your cappuccino, or a little bit of cinnamon powder. So good.
I like it that the flavor of the milk froth and the espresso is separated. Now, like latte, it's combined.
Combined,
It has
yeah.
More milk flavor.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of latte because it's too acid for me, for my taste. I think. Regardless, this is great. You guys are great.
And you can make cappuccino at home without getting a fancy espresso machine.
It's great talking to you guys.
Yay!